Magic Global Tech. We're loading for Madam for Abia. Madam, we're loading for you for Abia. See, the other vehicle is having delay there, so we're loading fresh. This one, this is our solar water heater to Abia State with your 17.5 kilowatt lithium battery. These are for your water heaters. This is solar water heater at Magic Global Tech with all the panels. This one is loading straight from Magic Global Tech, Nigeria Limited. We're loading for you straight to Imo State, to Abia. This is going to Abia. These are the hangers for your solar water heater at Magic Global Tech. Yes, come and place your order. These are your camera. And this is your 10 kV inverter at Magic Global Tech.